Good morning, KG2 students. How are you today? I hope you are just doing well. You are always healthy, fit, and strong, not just with your body, but mentally as well. In here view of, this is Miss Divina, your speaker for today. I hope you are going to learn something and at the same time enjoy. To begin with, let's consider the following. First, prepare your pencil and paper. Second, stay in a quiet place. Third, listen attentively. Fourth, listen to your mom as she guides you. Fifth, ask a question if you are in doubt. And lastly, don't forget to enjoy the activities. In this presentation, let us not forget the following objectives. First, to identify the WH words or W sound and the sight words which include not, she, would. Second, to create a sentence using the WH words or W sound and sight words. All right, my dear students, this time we're going to familiarize the words that belong to the W sound or WH words that we will be using later in the story. W and H, they have two sounds. So W, the sound is W, and the H is H. But if we combine them together, it will become W. And if you notice, the H sound is no longer existing, right? So it's already silent H. So yes, the sound is W. Can you repeat it for me? W. Very good. So now we're going to look at the words that we are going to use later in the story. Are you ready? All right, very good. So the first word is whale. Whale. Can you repeat it for me? Very good. The second is weasel. Weasel. Can you repeat again? Very good. And the third is will. Will. And it's your turn. Can you repeat it for me? Very good. And the fourth is wheelchair. Wheelchair. Your turn. Very good. And the fifth is wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Your turn. Very good. And the last one is wit. Wit. Your turn. Very good. So these are all belong to WH words or W sounds. And we are going to use these words later for the story that I have prepared for you. Are you ready? Very good. It's story time! I know you are all excited for this story, and I know as well that you really love listening stories. So, are you ready, my dear students? Are you excited? Do you have any idea what would be our story all about? I know you are excited about it. So now this time, let's going to start. One night, Anna, a 5-year-old girl, has a dream. She dreamt that she was walking along the beach. She asked herself if she would be able to go in the middle of the sea. Do you think she can go alone? Definitely no, because she's just a 5 years old and she needs someone to assist her while going there. If she will go by herself, imagine a 5 years old going in the middle of the sea. What do you think might happen to her? Yes, you're right. She might get drowned because in the middle of the sea there's a strong wave and a strong wind. So she might get drowned and maybe she's not able yet to swim. She can able to swim yet. So she might get drowned. So she cannot able to go there alone. Meanwhile, when she started whistling, she saw a white whale getting near to the shore. She was very happy, and so she gave a wheat bread as food. Later on, the whale went away back to the deep sea. While walking, she saw a wheelbarrow with a very huge wheel. She took the wheelbarrow with her without asking a permission from the owner. She took it home. Do you think it is good to take someone's belonging? You are right. It is not good at all. It is not good at all to take someone's belonging without asking any permission. So when Anna reached home, what do you think might happen to her? What do you think her mom gonna do to her? Okay, let's gonna find out what will gonna happen. I'm excited to know what happened to her. When she reached home, her mom whipped her because she took a thing that is not hers. Anna was crying very loud. Mom, no, I am sorry. I will not do it again. Then Anna suddenly woke up. She is panting. She realized it was just a dream. So, based from the story, what moral lesson did you learn? When Anna took the wheelbarrow without asking a permission, what lesson did it give us? Yes, you are right. Do not take someone's belonging. So if you want to take something, you need to ask permission first. Always ask a permission first, okay? So again, I'm going to repeat you the moral lesson is do not take someone's belonging. Okay, did you like the story? Are you going to be like Anna in the story that you're going to take something without asking permission first? You're very good. Yes, you don't need to do that. So, like I asked you a while back to write down all the words that has w sound or words that belong to WH words. So, did you do it? Okay, I'm going to ask you later. Okay? All right, my dear students. A while back, I have mentioned you to list down all the words that belong to WH or W sound. So I'm going to tell you the words and then you're going to check it out if you did it, if you write them correctly on your paper. Okay? And if you notice here in the slide, I highlighted them in color blue. So I'm going to read it for you and then check your work at the same time. The first word is whistling. The second word is whale. The third is wit. The fourth is while. Next is wheelbarrow. And then when. And the last one is whip. Did you write it correctly? Very good. Good job. Bravo. So I have here three words. They are in a purple color. What do you think those words are? Do you have any idea what are these words for? These words are we called sight words. Can we say it? Sight words. Now we're going to read them. She would not. Okay, can we read it again? She would not. So those are sight words. Very good. So what is our objective this time? What is the connection of these words to our objectives? Yes, to identify the WH word or woo sound and the sa words as well. To identify the sight words as well. So did you understand our lesson for today? All right, good job. All right, my dear students, now that you were able to identify the WH words or word sound and at the same time the sight words, I want to challenge you again to write your own sentence. Okay, you need to just write a very simple sentence that showing that you really understood our lesson for today and you are able to know how to apply it into a conversation or into a sentence. Can you do it? Very good. I know you can do it. You are all brilliant, I believe. Activity time. This time is just a purely performance based. You're not going to use a paper and pencil or at the same time a worksheet. It's just a purely conversation. Okay? So this is the mechanics on how are you going to do it. You just need to record yourself while having a conversation with your mom or a sibling using the WH words and the sight words, which include would, she, and not. So it is simple as like that. You're just talking normally to your mom and a brother. So you just need to use the most important words that we have tackled today and just record yourself and then that's it. You're going to send it to me after that. I'm going to wait for that. Thank you so much. So that's the end of our lesson for today, and I hope you learned something and you really enjoy it. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.